Hello everyone, this is an overview of the Tycka 55-inch aluminium tripod in black. It is portable as the tripod legs can be folded back 180 degrees to a fairly compact size of around 14 inches in height. Due to it being made from aluminium, it only has a weight of 1.3 kilos. The manufacturer states that it is very quick to set up due to the 4-section column legs which have quick release locks. It has a 360 degree rotatable ball head, and the tripod can also be used as a monopod. Next up in the video we will go through taking a look what's inside the box, as well as setting up the tripod itself, and also setting it up as a monopod, so stay tuned. Ever so slightly damaged box here, but hopefully everything is fine inside. That to one side. Fairly decent quality case. Logo on the side here. Strap to hold the bag, and it's adjustable straps here. So let's get this opened and have a look what's inside. So we have an instruction manual with 2 hex or Allen keys. We have a little pouch in here. Not entirely sure what this is for. I'm guessing maybe to hold the Allen keys or the instruction manuals. And there's the tripod itself. Let's get this taken out of the box. And there we go, and it has a soft pouch which I believe is protecting the ball head inside here. So I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to remove all these other bits, and when we come back we'll start setting up the tripod itself. See you shortly. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll get this tripod set up, and we'll see how easy or difficult that is to do. First of all, nice little grip here on one of the legs. I'm guessing that's the hook here underneath. Put a bag for additional weight to hold it, make it more stable. So let's just that's fairly straightforward to do so far. Haven't locked these into place, but I'm just going to remove this case from the ball head so that you can have a look at that, and I'll adjust the camera as well. So I'm just going to adjust the camera so you guys can see what I'm looking at here, and there we go. Let's just get this straight. I've not extended the legs, just want to demonstrate the ball head at the moment. Yeah, it's fairly loose, so looks to be removable. Let's get this into focus. There we go. And that looks like a removable ball head with a quick release. Little spirit level there to make sure you're level, if you can just see that here. There we go. Just going to pop this back on. There we are, and it's actually very straightforward and very easy to angle these legs into whichever position you require. Lift here into your desired position and lock it into place and stand. Just show you that. So now I'm just going to show you how to extend these legs. Weight's done. Pull here. Lock that. Ooh, no. Lock it into position, and we'll do that with the rest of those. There we go. And finally, third. There we are. That will go pretty low as well, so let's do that. Now that will go pretty darn low for if you don't know what you would need that for, but I'm sure some of you folk will find the uses for it. But there you are, that's how low it will go. I'm going to extend the legs now, so you can see how easy that is to do. So here's the quick release locks. That's it, that's the tripod pretty much set up, and that's fairly high. Let's bring the camera over so you can see this. There we go. And you have, as you can see, another spirit level here, so you know when you have the tripod level or not. Next up, I'm going to show you how to turn this into a monopod, as it's possible to do. So I'm going to pause this, stop this video, and I'll get it, well, I'll show you how to actually set it up as a monopod. Now I'm just going to show you how to turn this into a monopod. So the leg with the grip here is removable. You can see a symbol there to show you to unlock. There you go. So we're going to, actually first of all what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop the other legs back up. So there we are, so that's out of our way. We're going to then remove this leg here, and I'm just going to unscrew that. That's unscrewed. I'm just going to pop that to the floor to show you something. So under here we can just, let's get so that we can see where we have our counterweight hook. I'm going to just unscrew that, and there you go. And now you can see that's where we will connect our other leg to turn it into a monopod. So as you can see, I'm just screwing that in there, and we can lower these legs. There we go, we've got a monopod, or we can even pop them up to the top. If we even wanted to go one step further, we could remove these legs. You've got the screws here, and using the hex keys to remove it. So that's pretty much it to with regards to this monopod, or tripod rather, which also doubles up as a monopod. And I'm just going to extend the legs, show you that it does have a fair bit of height, and that's now perfectly fine to use. There you go. That's the Tycka TK102 tripod.